How does physics come into a hammer/weight throw? The main concepts are going to be: how does physics come into place while throwing? How is hammer and weight different? And what does orbit look like? How physics comes into place. Acceleration, a vector quantity that is defined as the rate at which an object changes its velocity. Force, energy as an attribute of a physical action or movement. The goal in the throw is to accelerate with every turn and produce optimum force by the time of release. Velocity, the speed of something in a given direction. In order to achieve a greater velocity, the thrower must cover more distance in a shorter time. So the aim of the hammer throw is to project the hammer as far as possible, and major contributing factor to throw success is the speed of the hammer at the end of release. So how is hammer and weight different? Hammer is competed at outdoor competitions. Hammer is also a smaller weighted ball and a longer wire connected into the handle. Weight is competed in indoor competitions. The weight throw has more strength involved than the hammer, and the weight is a heavier ball with a short chain. So let's take a look what actual orbit looks like from Yuri Sietka in 1986, where he threw the hammer in the Olympics. So the big question is hammer and weight dangerous? Yes, hammer and weight is very dangerous. From 1982 to 2012, there were a total of 2,061 catastrophic sports-related injuries at the high school and college levels in all sports, including 857 fatalities. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about injuries within track and field. Um, a official named Douglas Coben. He was a 75-year-old man who had been officiating track meets since he was 30. Um, was hit in the head during warm-ups and was admitted to the hospital immediately after. Um, Coben did pass away on Sunday, December 7th, 2014. The reason I'm talking about this is because track deaths and injuries are extremely rare, but they can happen. You need to be aware of your surroundings when you are around a throws venue, because one look away, a tiny second, could be the last minute you ever notice you're standing there. Another incident that did happen was a athlete himself wasn't paying attention, and he wasn't even in the way. Um, an inexperienced thrower threw the hammer, and it did hit. It went over the cage, and it landed right down on this athlete's head. The athlete was okay, but he was sent straight to the hospital because it landed straight on his skull and it bounced right off. Um, but the problem is right there is that he was not paying attention, even when people yelled at him to, "Hey, look up! That's coming straight for you." If you're going to be around a throws venue or even anywhere near someone throwing something that you're not used to, you need to be aware and never turn your back towards the cage, or be talking to someone or be behind someone that you're not focused on. Hey, this person might be in my way and I could possibly get hurt. Throwing is no joke. Being hit with a weight is no joke, or a hammer. You need to be aware of your surroundings and make sure you're